Can you read AY and AW words? Listen, spell, and read. Let's learn the sounds. A and Y together make the AY sound. Listen. Day.
D-A-Y, day. S-A-Y, say.
W-U-A-Y, way. M-A-Y, may.
P-A-Y, pay. L-A-Y, lay.
H-A-Y, hay. B-A-Y, bay. R-A-Y, ray. P-L-A-Y, play.
S-T-A-Y, stay. T-R-A-Y, tray. C-L-A-Y, clay. P-R-A-Y, pray.
S-T-R-A-Y, stray.
A and W together make the AW sound. Listen. Saw. L-A-W, law. P-A-W, pow. J-A-W, jow. R-A-W, row. C-A-W, cow. T-H-A-W, thaw. D-R-A-W, draw.
C-L-A-W, claw. F-L-A-W, flaw.
S-T-R-A-W, strow. D-A-W-N, dawn. A-Y often comes at the end of a word. A-W can come at the end or inside a word.
L-A-W-N, lawn. Y-A-W-N, yawn.
F-A-W-N, fawn. H-A-W-K, hawk.
C-R-A-W-L, crawl. S-H-A-W-L, shawl.
A-W-F-U-L, awful.